Ma'am Diana, miss you. Hello, Teacher Diane. How are you po? Happy Teacher's Day. I miss you. I love you. God bless. Happy Teacher Day, Teacher. Magpagaling ka po para magkasama ka na po namin. Palagi po kitang pinagdadasal. Mahal na mahal po kita. See you soon. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Diane.